Have you lost contact with a family member? The Philippine Red Cross, as a member of the Global Restoring Family Links, RFL, will help you to restore and maintain connection with your loved ones in these challenging times. Below are the ways to lodge your concern regarding RFL. First option, if you have an internet connection, follow the steps below. Type https://familylinks.icrc.org/en/pages/home.aspx. Click Find Someone. Select the country. Where are you now? Click Next. Click Disaster. Click Contact Form of the Philippine Red Cross and fill in all the information asked on the form. Select and check how would like to be contacted under the message option. Then click Submit. Second option, you may call PRC COVID Hotline 1158 for your COVID-19 RFL concerns. Third option, you may also reach phone 02-8790-2300, local 916 or 0063-917-532-8500 for your RFL concerns.